Can you find my friend Jake in all of the maps? Yeah, find out. Okay, my friend is hidden in this. Try find him. You probably did find him. So Jake, you can come out now. Okay, my friend Jake is hidden in this map as well. Try find him. Okay, so my friend Jake is in the map as well. So he's on the crystals. So let's take a look at where he is. Okay, Jake, you can come out now.
I was right here.
If you found him in all of the places, then make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications, and download the game, put a plug, and join the Discord and have fun. See ya.